I'm going to go ahead and just insert this right. That feels pretty tight right there, right? Okay, so you can just breathe naturally. Let's just see what happens. Okay. All right, so we're at 1,367. We've already just passed 2. So now we're in the place where you can be having headaches. You can be over at 3,786. Look at this, we just passed 5,000. Now we're in the toxic level. Right now we can be doing just 7,000 inside this mask with CO2. 8,000 parts per billion. And now this thing's gone off the Richter scale, folks. You can't even register how high the CO2 levels are inside. And look how many seconds that was. I mean, in just a few seconds inside of that mask, we are way off of any OSHA scale.
Hey everybody, it's me, your favorite science teacher, here to tell you why students should absolutely wear face masks when they go back to school. That's right, they should absolutely wear face masks when they go back to school. What I'm going to do is a simple demonstration of how face masks, if they're worn for 5, 6, 7, even 8 hours a day, are completely safe and you don't need to worry at all. So what I have here is a typical mask that you might wear. I'm going to put it over my face in the proper method. So notice I put it over, so I am covering my nose. I hopefully push it down a little bit. It's under my cheek. And then to show that it's completely safe, I have here a carbon dioxide detector. So this is something that you can easily buy. It's used in many homes. So what you should know about carbon dioxide levels is anything under 1,000 is deemed safe. Anything over 1,000 is deemed problematic. When it starts getting over 2,000 parts per million, you start having problems because you might have headaches or lightheadedness. Now this is going to be a relatively simple demonstration. I'm simply going to insert this into my mask near my mouth, and we're going to see what happens in 10 breaths. Okay? So now this isn't a great experiment also because in putting this through my mask, I'm opening a little bit of a hole, which you really don't want to do if you're trying to keep everything local. So here we go. So we went over 10,000 parts per million within just 10 breaths. So I want to say again, using face masks are totally safe for kids to wear for 6, 7, even 8 hours a day. So we don't need to worry because you can see how with 10 breaths there was absolutely no problem with the carbon dioxide levels. My carbon dioxide levels went to 10,000. That's absolutely no problem. Even though we're supposed to keep it under 1,000, I'm sure that human beings can handle that level of carbon dioxide. So remember, all students should wear face masks for the entire day at school to get us back to school safely. That's right, I am encouraging all students to wear face masks because there's absolutely no problem with carbon dioxide build up in a mask. Science has proven it. Carbon dioxide levels are not unsafe from wearing a mask. Look how safe it was with just 10 simple breaths. So, remember, masks are good for children to wear all day.